Welcome to the Getting Started series for Stargate. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using Stargate to move information from one app to another. In this specific example, we're going to see how an order that lands in your Gmail account can easily be broken down and the information sent to one or more apps automatically. In this case, the order will come from BlueSnap, and the order information will be sent to a specific channel in Slack. So, let's get started. Log into your Stargate account. Click on the New Stargate button to create a Stargate. Type in a name for your Stargate and click on Save Changes to create your Stargate. Click on a Stargate name to select it. You are now in the Stargate editor, where apps can be connected to other apps. The first thing we need to do is add a trigger. An example of a trigger is a new order landing in your Gmail inbox. That will let Stargate know to act upon it. Click on the new trigger link. Click on Gmail to select Gmail as the trigger. Select an event by clicking on the drop-down box and selecting New Email. Select a Gmail account by clicking on the drop-down and selecting Add Account. Choose your Gmail account by clicking on it in the Google dialog. Allow Stargate Gmail to access your Gmail account by clicking on Allow. Cut and paste the Google code into the Stargate editor. Select a mailbox which contains your email order from the drop-down list. Stargate automatically detects and extracts all relevant fields from the email. In the process, it creates rules for each field, which will allow it to be used as a template for future emails. You can edit these rules by clicking on the Click Here to Edit Rules button. Test this step by clicking on the Test This Step button. That concludes setting up a trigger for Stargate. Note that the field editor built into Stargate can automatically parse and create rules for a huge number of different email messages coming from different places all over the internet. Now we need to send that information to Slack. Click on the New Action button. Click on Slack to select Slack as the action. Select Send Channel Message as the event. Select a Slack account by clicking on the drop-down and selecting Add Account. Authorize Stargate to use Slack. Cut and paste the Slack code into the Stargate editor. The order fields from Gmail and Slack fields are displayed. Select the channel you want to send the details to in the drop-down. Type in the message you want to send. You can add any number of fields from the left by simply dragging and dropping them in the message field. When done, click on Save at the bottom. Then click on Test This Step. Check that the message did reach Slack by logging into Slack. To enable the Stargate to automatically send all future orders received in Gmail to Slack, switch it on at the top of the page. To send the information to more apps, click on the New Action button. You can add as many actions as you need. That concludes this tutorial. For more information, visit Stargate at www.surfstats.com/Stargate.